Frameworks for learning are designed for pairs of students to explore and develop concepts by working through a preset series of lessons on the computer while recording notes regarding their discussions, strategies, and conjectures on the Frameworks for Learning worksheet. Each framework is divided into 3 parts: getting started, working at it, and reflecting and connecting. The Getting Started section includes a warm-up type activity or series of questions that require students to engage in mathematical discourse while using a variety of tools to reason, make connections, and to solve problems. In this example, students use connector cubes to build models illustrating the patterns for stages 1 through 4 in 2 dimensions for an L-shaped figure. Students record drawings of their models on the framework worksheet and then predict how many cubes would be needed for stages 10 and 20. Students are then asked to independently write a formula that might be used to generalize the pattern. Then students exchange ideas and test each other's formulas, revising the formulas if needed before continuing through a second problem in UMath X. Working at it takes the development of the concept to a deeper level while requiring students to communicate convincing arguments of particular representations, procedures, and solutions. In this case, students are directed to now use the connector cubes to form squares to illustrate stages 1 through 4 for the given pattern. Again, students record drawings of their models on their framework sheet, predict the number of cubes required for stages 10 and 20, and develop a formula for extending the pattern before resuming work on additional problems in the program. The Reflecting and Connecting section reinforces learning by asking students to think about their thinking and to process, extend, and apply their understanding of the concepts learned at the conclusion of the lesson. In this example, students are required to apply the knowledge they have gained through the activities in the previous sections to write formulas for given numeric patterns in the chart provided. The lesson has built the concept from the concrete to the pictorial to the abstract to assist students with internalizing a deeper understanding of how to write formulas for a given pattern. Students may still choose to use the connector cubes or illustrations to assist them with the problems in this section. Frameworks are designed to assist teachers with the immediate implementation of UMath X by supplying activities and resources which reinforce the concepts being taught. As illustrated in this video, each framework for learning requires students to model examples using manipulatives, draw illustrations to justify work, discuss mathematical reasoning with peers, and provide written explanations about math topics covered within the UMath X lessons. As the phrase at the conclusion of each framework indicates, students are required to build, draw, talk, and write about the concepts covered so that at the conclusion of the activity, they own it, meaning the students have developed their own personal, deeper understanding of the math covered in the lesson. All of our frameworks for learning are available for download from our website, www.newfeldlearning.com. The frameworks are conveniently organized into 2 sections, one for K-5 and the other for middle and high school. If you have questions regarding Neufeld Learning Systems Frameworks for Learning, or if you would like to learn more about UMath X and our online support resources, please call our head office toll-free at 1-866-429-6284.